happy travelers. We are here with Mom. Mom has some cruising tips. She has been on how many cruises, Mom?
Oh, I can't tell you. I don't know.
More than 5?
More than 30.
More than 30 cruises.
30.
Okay, so she is quite authorized to give us cruising tips for today. What is our first cruising tip?
The first one might be these handy-dandy little hooks we brought to hang things on the wall. All the walls in the staterooms are magnetic, so you can bring lightweight clips type of thing and magnetized and put it on the wall, and it will hold lightweight things. And we brought this medium one to hold our medium size things on the wall, our lanyards, our daily fun papers. And the last one is the strongest one and the very most useful one. It's a hook as well as a very strong magnet, and it held hats and purses and bags of things, and just very strong, and it was very, very helpful.
And where do we get those?
We got the majority of them at a Dollar Tree, for example, and I believe the most heavy ones came from Amazon. Got them on Amazon, and it worked perfect. I will travel with these again.
Great. Now tip number 2. What is tip number 2?
Well, we had these little tea lights that are battery operated, and you can see that they light up. At night we put them on our window. We chose to leave our window curtains open and line them up on the windowsill, and made things easier to navigate through the room at nighttime.
Okay.
So that was very helpful.
I like them in the bathroom as well.
Yeah.
It's a little dark in there, so those tea lights are very helpful. Okay, next tip.
Next tip. Bring a highlighter or 2, actually, 1 per person, and you can then highlight your activities on your, where'd it go? I don't see it. Well, on your daily agenda, and you can highlight the things that you would like to do, and your cruising partner would like to do, 2 different colors, and that was very helpful.
Okay, highlighters, and then the next tip?
The next tip is little sticky notes. Just bring a little pad of sticky notes with you. When you leave the room and you're separated from your cruising partner, all you have to do is leave a note. I'm at the theater. I am going up for coffee now. Little notes like that will help keep the communication open between the room partners.
Good job.
And that was fun.
Nice, Mom. Then the really good one.
The charging station. Now, just know that every cruise line has 1 plug in every room. And with all the equipment we bring along with us now, our telephones, our cameras, our iPads, notebooks, whatever that we travel with now, we need more than 1 plug. This one has 6 outlets. So we have had these 3 outlets used the entire 14-day trip. It was very handy. We didn't have to say, whose turn is it to charge our phone? It's done. We did it. Perfect.
It also has a little sticky thing, so motion on the ship, it doesn't go sliding around. It sticks nicely where you put it and stays there. Okay, last tip we have is...
on any length of cruise, you may need to do a little bit of laundry. You never know what will happen to a shirt or a blouse or whatever, but these little pods that are so handy that we all probably use at home now, pack very easily, and they put in a plastic bag with a tiny little box of dryer sheets, and you got your laundry covered. You're done. Perfect.
Another little cruising tip: decorate your door. This is our door. It is decorated for Halloween as we are here on October 31st. It helps us to find our way in the long hallway of numbered doors. Great job. Thank you for your tips. I'm sure those of you at home planning to travel on a cruise very, very soon will use these handy tips in your next adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Click the link below and we will give all of these tips, where we got them, how much they cost. May your next adventure be your best adventure. Thanks, Mom.
Super.